we seeing when it comes to high volume hiring? We are definitely starting to see more companies come to us as these needs are starting to rise. We're seeing seasonal hiring, could be back to school, it could be pre-planning for the holiday ramp towards the end of the year. And so one of the things that is very obvious as customers are coming to us with these needs is that there is a huge need for speed. You've got to move quickly, and not only do you need to move quickly, but you can't sacrifice quality at the same time. The demands are high, they don't change. A lot of these roles are roles where turnover is also higher than what we might see in other roles. So when you're approaching seasonal ramping, high volume hiring, you've got to focus on overhiring. It can't just be the number that we hope to have an outcome for. We've got to count and plan for no-shows throughout the process, fall off that's happening within the first 90 days, et cetera. And what's most important is that you're partnering with a firm that understands seasonal hiring and approaches it the right way and that can deliver the results for you. One of the things that is most critical with high volume hiring is that you must approach it differently than BAU hiring. And a couple of things to think about. The sourcing strategy needs to look differently. The screening process needs to look differently in many cases. AI technology needs to be evaluated and leveraged to make certain that you can accommodate and create a great experience for candidates and talent that are coming through your process with the volume as high as it is. The process, you also need to evaluate how hiring managers are engaging. When hiring managers are leading their teams and responsible for outcomes within the business day-to-day, and they are now being asked to interview at a different level, the restructuring of how that process should work so that the hiring managers can juggle everything that's on their plate definitely needs to be looked at, and some transformation needs to happen within that process.